Hello, mates. It's me, Ayolumity. So, I am creating a mess right now, and it's called, well, trying to clear out a portion near the Nether Hub. It's not gonna go down deep. It's just gonna go to the bridge part, and here I am blowing up more spaces here. So, my plan here is to create a floor, like a floor, so I can just set off some bit of a design, and at the same time there is going to be like a bartering area which will give us an output of some stuff. The reason why I want to build this is because I don't have uh well a bartering area for some materials, and I'm also running short on some specific building blocks. I also need some gravel, I also need some blackstone, and then there's glowstone because I am going to use it frequently on my base, and it's like something that I necessarily need. I have to wrangle some of the piglins, but it's gonna take a while, and look at me, I'm still trying to patch out stuff. And I have to be careful not to break a single piece of this nether hub, which is really good. And also there is some chaos going around the world. It seems like someone got blown up, but it's not a big deal. For now, I'm just gonna do what I just need to finish. Please stay safe out there. Also, there's like a big patch here that I just noticed. Like it's just gonna go down deep to the lava seas, and oh great, I misstepped that, and I did not know this is not gonna work like that. Alright, now I have to just continue and clear out the entire sections, so after that I can start tiling the floors. So I finally have a clear area, so I can start placing the checkered pattern, but I really need to get some materials. Like I don't have those right now, but I try to figure out what should it look like, and not again. And blowing this place up is really dangerous when there's lava gushing down randomly. I don't have an X-ray, unfortunately, but I'm also glad I'm on peaceful mode, so those things are not gonna attack me or anything. They're just fine seeing my construction work. It's gonna take a while to finish. I just need to clear up a bit of a space so I can start building stuff. Also, this part is from the basal delta though. Alright, so I'm back with some materials. I used diorite, which is Iskal's worst block, and then some deep slate because it's the one that I have access to. Like I had to figure out what I can have right now, so this is what I'm gonna use. Deep slate, diorite, and they're all polished. This goes around the entire thing. I don't know how big it is. It's gonna be it's going to be as big as, well, as much as I can be. And once it's done, I'm gonna start building the bartering system, which I don't even know how it should work. Alright, now I've cleared up most of this, but now I have to figure out what the heck do I do here. Like, there's this is quite a mess. It looks hideous and I don't like it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is trying to figure out where the heck do I put the bartering area. And also, this doesn't look great for a while, but I still need a filler area just to like create some like a surrounding area filled with like, I don't know what's this, ice boat thing. And so for now I'm trying to craft as many chests as I could, so that way I could have like a filtration system to dispose the items that I have to barter. Right now I have gathered enough materials, sort of, so this is where I try to like build the entire bartering area. So I just gotta get some hoppers. This position is so awkward to do so. Alright, place one and place them right next to each other. I have only a few hoppers though. This is gonna suck. I should have crafted more on these things. Now I also have crafted more. I hope it should be enough. I need to craft more chests, which is that annoying. I didn't even have an autocraft button. And I came back here again and I still need more of those things. And then I separate each of these like one block apart. This is for the piglets to just drop in. This, and then I also have like I also need a carpet. I slowly apply all these hoppers up there. Now I have some glass, and then I use a moss carpet because it's fun. Place it one by one, and after that I have to cover the entire thing with like some sort of like partition wall. So click a hopper, and then I place another glass over there, so it should line up perfectly. Gonna put one block more, and then we can do the rest of the things. Right, so we're done with this. We ran out of hoppers. I have to craft more though. I need more. Right, now I have like a dispenser for the gold to shoot down. And I also have crafted more chests and hoppers. And also I have bought in this gold armor so they won't despawn. Now all I need to do is, well, here's what happens. So I crouch down and the piglins can't go in through these things, still get stuck. And then I'll break that block down there so they'll be shut down here. And now I have to look for some bunch of piglins. Watch my struggles. now the entire bartering system has been filled up. I'm just gonna do a bit of a test though. So for now I have this simplistic bartering thingy where I flick the lever or whatever. It will dispose gold to the piglins, and then after that they'll just something good. They throw it in and it will be disposed to the chest. I have no idea how to automate this thing, but I have to keep doing this manually, which is gonna suck. And I also took some gold and placed it here, and they also offer gravel, which is actually really necessary due to the fact that I might use it for concrete. Now I'm gonna dispose the gold onto the dispenser, and each of them will get some gold. Also, this is gonna like take a while. I'm still trying to figure out how this thing works, and I'm trying to distribute this thing evenly. Each of them gets some gold. Like the piglins really get obsessed with gold. I don't know why, but it's pretty fun. Now I have to keep doing this until my hand gets tired. Also, I forgot to give him some stuff there. After some bit of a test, the entire thing works. I didn't know they also dropped those happy gas things. And also I have now a source of leather and some blackstone, which is something that I necessarily need. I struggled getting leather because I haven't made a horse breeding farm. I haven't killed a lot of horses and I need to breed more of them. They also give some pearls that's really important, especially when I accidentally break the ender chest. It's very annoying and also useful for like escaping from situations that needs to move fast. You check around. Well, I decided to do a bit of an upgrade for the nether hub. I'm gonna add a bit of a balcony because it looks plain, and also it also gives me like an access to higher parts of the roof that I might want to get rid of. I'm still not sure how do I execute on how do I climb up on this. I don't want a scaffold. I just want a grand stairs, although like a simple one, not like an absolute complex architectural stuff, but it just needs to be simple as that. And I'm gonna surround it with nether warts and then use some crimson planks and then a fence gate for like the fence wall, fence post. I forgot. It's a fence post, but the fence post will act as a pillar for each 4 corners. And after that, I'm gonna continuously upgrade this thing. Alright, so we're actually done with the balcony. There's the bartering area, and also I might add some walls on the surroundings, and more likely I might expand this entire thing. Also, the reason why I put those things, the balcony, is to avoid gas spawns, so they are getting constrained on this area. And after this, I might gonna do the nether highway ice boat thing. So that's it for now, mate. So I guess this is it. Aeolumity out.